Hey everyone! It's time to shine a light on the latest and most innovative gadgets and tools for men that we've discovered across the web. Let's dive right in. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Hanboost HBT 471 Screwdriver Set. Is it possible to fit an entire toolbox in a backpack? Well, the Hanboost HBT 471 Screwdriver Set certainly can. It boasts an impressive collection of 47 screwdriver bits and sockets, making it the perfect toolkit to tackle any job, no matter how big or small. This set has you covered, ensuring you're never caught without the right tool again. This set includes a flexible extension shaft to help you reach even the most challenging places. JetCycle Max. And now, brace yourself for the JetCycle Max, a water sports marvel. This hydrofoil cycling watercraft allows you to pedal and balance your way through the water, providing an enchanting and smooth ride. Its kayak-like design offers stability, and the rear propeller propels you effortlessly through the water. Steering and adjusting the foil pitch is a breeze with the handles on either side. The JetCycle Max is suitable for riders between 4.9 and 6.6 feet in height and promises an exhilarating experience on water. Now, let's move on to a game-changing safety innovation for motorcycle riders. The MoCycle Airbag Jeans. These jeans come equipped with airbags that offer protection to the tailbone, thighs, and knees in case of an accident. The airbag is triggered by the belt connected to the bike and inflates in less than a second, providing crucial safety. After the accident, the airbag will deflate on its own within a couple of minutes, ensuring ample protection during collision. These CE Level A approved jeans are made from stretchy and comfortable denim fabric and feature easily replaceable CO2 cartridges for reuse. Bixpy K-1 Motor. If pedaling isn't your thing, consider the K-1 Motor from Bixpy. This motorcycle can be attached to almost any watercraft, thanks to its brushless motor and NASA-inspired propeller. With a power output of around 145 gallons per minute, you'll have plenty of speed on the water. The easy installation process is supported by over 20 different mounting adapters for your existing paddlecraft. Bixpy's battery systems ensure you can cruise for up to 24 hours, allowing you to relax and enjoy your water adventures. Aviator Slide Slim Wallet. If you're on the lookout for a stylish and functional wallet, look no further than the Aviator Obsidian Black. This wallet is not only eye-catching, but also incredibly practical. Its durability and compact design make it easy to use, providing quick access to your cards with its unique pull strap. Plus, it can hold up to 20 cards thanks to the adjustable elastic strap built into the frame. Rest assured, your cards are safe from unwanted scans with the RFID protection. Additionally, the wallet features a coin compartment and a cash clip, making it ideal for organizing loose change and handling bills. Glede Screwdriver. If you need an even more compact screwdriver set, there's one with a magnetic storage compartment that can hold up to 12 bits. Say goodbye to searching for the right size and type of screwdriver. This set keeps everything in one place. Its sturdy magnetic design enhances tightening efficiency, and the precise gear angle ensures more accurate rotation. Mngarista Heavy Duty Retractable Keychain. For those who want to keep all their keys in one place, a retractable keychain is the ideal solution. Easily clipped onto your belt or jeans, this keychain frees your hands. The added badge clip is perfect for frequent ID or pass usage, and the 31-inch rope extension ensures you can reach places your arm can't. Lockjaw Ladder Grip. We all know how precarious ladders can be, even with someone holding the bottom. The Lockjaw Ladder Grip offers a solution by securing the ladder in place, making it easier to enter and exit roofs. This adjustable ladder stabilizer can be installed within 5 seconds with just one hand and fits all standard extension ladders. It's a durable accessory that provides safe and reliable service for years. Kneelit V3 Rolling Knee Pads. For those whose knees suffer during extended work hours, Kneelit offers a practical solution. It provides ergonomic knee pads on wheels and seats with foam padding, allowing you to work for hours without discomfort. The tool has a weight capacity of 360 pounds, ensuring even heavy-duty builders can benefit from its comfort. Moreover, the numerous casters enable easy movement in any direction, so you never have to compromise mobility for comfort again. Loop Gear Skywalker SK01S Flashlight. The flashlight from Loop is an excellent companion for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone in need of a reliable light source. With its adjustable focus lens and LEP technology, the Skywalker SK01S produces bright and evenly distributed beams that can reach distances of up to 5,200 feet. Despite its powerful performance, the flashlight remains compact and lightweight. Notably, it features a customizable ambient light. But the most intriguing aspect is the inclusion of a set of fidget toys. Proud Pyro Campfire Pit plus Grill Kit. If you're looking to bring the cozy ambience of a campfire to your backyard, the Pyro Campfire and Grill Kit is a perfect choice for nature lovers. This versatile set allows you to cook with wood or charcoal on its large capacity cooktop. Once you're done cooking, it can easily transform into an open fire pit or an enclosed fire for added safety. Additionally, there's a portable grill and smoker that, despite its size, provides an impressive 400 square inches of cooking space. The grill can handle up to 31 pounds of food, while the smoker accommodates up to 28 pounds. The built-in thermometer ensures you can monitor the temperature and maintain precise control over the cooking process. LipFi's Barbershop 360 Mirror. When it comes to cutting your own hair, things can get tricky. But fear not, as a foldable mirror comes to the rescue. With adjustable hooks, you can place it in front of you and enjoy a 360-degree view of your head. This mirror is a handy tool for self-haircutting, and there are plenty of free educational videos from professional barbers to guide you through the process. Its convenient size and 180-degree folding feature make it easily portable for your travels. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.